Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to diagnose the OBD2 connector which is faulty, and how to make a way around the wires, the CAN bus wires, CAN high and CAN low wires that are not responding. How can go around it and still connect to your system and still read your ECU module or airbag module or the whole system pretty much. So here's the most difficult kind of diagnostics to my opinion, and I'm gonna show you my way. It's not necessarily that's the only way available to get it done. Not claiming this is to be the right way to get it done, but that's what I figured out trying to make my car work. I'm working on 2019 Nissan Rogue, and the problem is the OBD2 scanner cannot connect to the system. So I tried different OBD2 scanners, neither one of them worked. Then what I did next, after I googled the issue and checked the YouTube videos, everybody is testing the OBD2 connector itself. And the basic test is to connect the power supply and then test the CAN high and CAN low wires. How do you do the test of CAN high and CAN low? First of all, with the battery disconnected, we're gonna turn on our multimeter onto ohms. Then we're gonna get to our OBD2 connector. All of these pins are all of these connectors are the same, and the wires responsible for the CAN high and CAN low are number 6 is your CAN high, number 14 is your CAN low. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ground. Number 6 is CAN high, number 14 is CAN low, number 16 is your power supply. So you can get like a little pin or something like that, put it in here. Make sure it's not bigger than the one that is supposed to be in there, so you don't damage your nests. Okay, and then get the positive on one, get a negative on another one, and you should have 60 ohms or close to it. So I have 60.9 ohms. Looks perfect so far, but the testing is not done yet. So the next step is going to be we're gonna get our multimeter set up to volts, like so. Then we're gonna connect our battery, and we're going to check the ground and the power, and then we're gonna check the voltage on this CAN high and CAN low wires as well. So let me connect my battery. Then you turn your ignition on. Okay. Now you got the negative from your multimeter and put it somewhere on the ground. Right here, that metal brackets for the dash is perfect, so that's where I put mine. And then you get your positive lead and check the voltage on a power supply. As you can see, it's 11.6 volts. That's what it is. That's what the battery is supplying. Then if you know that this is good already and it's getting this power supply, you get your negative lead, disconnect from your body of the vehicle there and put it in number 4, and you got 11.57 volts. And number 5, this is ground and chassis ground, 11.56, the same. So we know that we get in the ground wires and the power supply wires are good. So also we need to put this negative lead back on a ground supply and get this positive lead. Now we need to check the CAN high and CAN low. The CAN high should be around 2.5 and up to 3.5 volts. CAN low supposed to be between 1.5 to 2.5 volts. As you can see, my CAN low is only 12 millivolts, and the same for the CAN high. It's not exactly the same, it's different, but still it's too small, too low. So what it tells me that my wires are crossed or short to ground or open circuit, or one of the modules that is in the chain is shorted. So I did check pretty much all my modules already on the vehicle. I was poking around. As you can see, pretty much the whole vehicle is disassembled. I did disassemble it under the hood as well, check the ECU, TCM module, and so on. So then I started to think, how can I still connect my OBD2 scanner and make it work even with these wires are not working. As we know, or if you don't know, there's multiple loops, multiple chains merging together in this CAN bus system. So let's say the airbag module, TCU, and ECM is going to make one loop, and then the body control module as well is going to be in that loop, and then another loop is going to be your OBD2 connector and a body control module, and usually it also has a gateway. In my case, the gateway is inside of this body control module as well, one of the gateways. Another gateway is under the glove box. What the gateway is, it's kind of like the box where these different loops of the CAN bus system are merging together, and that makes them communicate between each other. So I got an idea. I pulled these CAN high and CAN low wires out of the connector. I marked them before I did, so I know that this wire is number 14, this wire is number 6. So this is my CAN high, this is my CAN low. So on CAN high I should have 2.8 or 2.5 and up. Then on this one, number 14, I would have 2.2 or 2.5 and below. Usually if you add 2 of these meanings, they're gonna show is going to be 5. So let's say 2.7 and 2.3, 2.6 and 2.4. So I pulled out these connectors and put the spare ones inside here so I can have these wires loose, and this way I don't have to cut these wires. So I'm gonna save these wires the way they are, because I'm still hoping I'm gonna find the reason why these wires are not working. So then if I connect the OBD2 connector here from my scanner, these wires need to be connected somewhere. I pulled out the diagram, the wiring diagram for this vehicle. I found it online, and I found the CAN high and CAN low on my airbag module. Why airbag module? Because obviously it needs to be in the system so the car can read it. So I know that there is a CAN bus going through this, and it's located real close to the OBD2 connector. So once I know it, got it, and the key is